first warning weather.
Heavy rain and high winds just battering the Carolinas today.
Yeah, this massive tree, goodness, crashed into a house this morning in Charlotte, nearly splitting the kitchen from the rest of the house. 4 vehicles were damaged. No one was hurt, thankfully. Thousands of people lost electricity across the area, and more storms are in the forecast. And nothing severe, at least that I know of, in this area, but a lot of people had a lot of rain. I know when I was driving from here to Portsmouth, a lot of rain, and Keith heading down the Greenbrier had a lot of rain today too, Josh.
Yeah, blinding downpours here across parts of the area this evening. And the winds, well, they're not that strong, but some storms could produce pockets of 40, maybe even 50 miles per hour as we head into the next couple of hours. Let's get right to it. The National Weather Service continues a flash flood warning for portions of Scioto County, northeastern Lewis, and into Greenup County and northeast Kentucky through at least the 6 o'clock hour as a new batch of showers and downpours approach from the northwest. We've also had some high water problems, especially here into Fayette and Raleigh counties, and a flood warning continues now officially for Fayette County for the next hour or so, but there's more rain on the way this evening. Your first forecast will show that stormy weather at times from northwest to the southeast, and then by 10, 11 o'clock, a lot of the activity will weaken as it shifts more to the south. Areas of fog will form overnight, and by tomorrow morning, we're in the upper 50s with some patchy dense fog, but not a lot of rain going on. Over in Charleston, it has been the wettest day of the year so far. In fact, we've had more than 1.5 inches of rainfall so far. That's the wettest day we've had since October 21st of last year, and a surplus so far this year of only about 1 inch or so. And here's a live look outside into Point Pleasant and Gallipolis, the Canoga area across the Ohio River now. Looking north and west, notice the shelf cloud here out ahead of a downpour and a thunderstorm. So heads up, Gallipolis and Point Pleasant. You'll be dealing with some heavy rain, a brief gusty wind, some lightning out here as we head into the next 15 to 30 minutes. Now let's switch over and take a look farther south on the Ohio River into downtown Huntington. This is looking west towards the Cerrito, Canova, South Point, Chesapeake, Burlington area. Notice the darker clouds back to the west as a downpour is especially bypassing downtown Huntington just to the west. That's where the heaviest rains will fall, especially as we cross over here into Boyd County into northeast Kentucky. Rain cooled 70 now in Huntington, Ashland, and Ironton, upper 60s into the Kanawha Valley. And once it pours the rain, you will definitely fall through the 60s here this evening. Over the last several hours, we've seen the heaviest rains as expected across southern and eastern counties. But at the end of the day, we're watching a new batch of showers and storms coming from the northwest. HD Dual Doppler shows that clustering of downpours and thunderstorms into Scioto County, Lucasville, Portsmouth. Another downpour moving over already very wet ground. That's why the flash flood warning continues now. And here we are, Huntington, Ashland, Ironton. You're drying out for now, Greenup County. But here we go, Canonsburg moving south towards Grayson and into eastern Carter County, Boyd County. Heavy rainfall along I-64 through Cabell and Putnam counties. And there's that downpour now moving into Gallipolis and Point Pleasant. Notice the red. That is a blinding downpour moving to the southeast along the Ohio River, and there's more showers and downpours off to the northwest. So there it goes along Route 35 from Rio Grande, crossing over the Ohio River into Mason County, West Virginia. We've had as much as 2 to 3 inches of rain from parts of Kanawha County, south and east along the West Virginia Turnpike, and more than 1 inch of rain in parts of Scioto and Greenup counties here. And we've had pockets of high water out here across southern West Virginia into areas of Fayette and into Raleigh counties. Here's a photo from the Route 10 area, Huff Creek into Logan, West Virginia, Logan County, West Virginia. Thanks for that snapshot there to my Facebook page showing some of the vehicles and a camper there surrounded by some high water. Thankfully, we have a break in the rain right now, but more rain is on the way from the northwest to the southeast. Same thing for southeast Kentucky. You're fine now, but more storms back to the northwest. But behind the system, it does begin to dry out as that cold front will slide to the southeast, but it will turn cooler as we head into the next few days and then drier by the weekend especially. So Futurecast shows the showers and storms moving away as we head into the overnight hours. But until then, it is a stormy evening. Lows will be in the upper 50s by dawn. Still humid this evening. Clouds, some sun tomorrow in the mid 70s. Isolated shower chance for your Tuesday. Nothing all that widespread. 7-day forecast shows on the upper 60s on Wednesday, a spotty shower through Thursday, low 70s, a nice day Friday, and overall a mostly dry weekend, Erica, with highs back to almost 90 a week from now.
Tonight, there'll be